Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Anthony Wood and this is Shop Mad. In a previous video I made an articulated arm. It's a parallelogram and it's fully adjustable. I've been using it in the shop and I'm finding it absolutely fantastic. I did promise I was going to be making a quick release base for the DSLR cameras, so in this video that's what I'll be making, but I have drawn up a plan, a SketchUp model, so we're going to have a look at this now and then I'm going to get the parts printed off. Right guys, as promised, I've made a SketchUp model which is freely available if you just let us know in the comments below, and I can easily send you the file. Now this part I've got highlighted is the clamp. Now it has a chamfer on the inside of 36 degrees along with the front edge here, which is again 36 degrees. Now this is for the plate that actually sits on the bottom of the DSLR camera, so when it fits in here, the clamp's closed, it will lock it in solid. Now I've made it out of 12mm ply, but you can basically make it out of anything you want. This hole here is a 7mm hole and it's recessed out to accept a M6 T-nut. Right guys, as you can see, I've got the parts printed out. I've adhered it with Pritt stick onto 12mm ply. Now I'm going to take this over to the bandsaw now and I'm going to get these shapes cut out. I've set the sander up at 36 degrees and I'm now going to just put the chamfer on the edge of the clamp itself. I'm now just going to put the same chamfer on the front clamp. Right guys, I've got all the pieces cut and sanded down with the chamfers put on the front and the back parts. I'm just going to give this a quick dry fit just to make sure everything fits together. Yes, and everything fits together well. So now I'm going to take off all of the paper. I'm now going to make the recess with the Forstner bit to accept the M6 T-nut. Now drilling out the centre so I can press fit the M6 T-nut. Now it's time for some precision joinery. I'm now just going to get this glued up and I'm going to leave it overnight so that it gives the glue time to cure. While the glue's drying, I'm going to drill a hole and I'm going to secure it with a screw to act as a pivot point for the clamp. The glue's all cured now on the clamp base, so I'm going to attach the clamp mechanism itself with a small screw. I'll now attach the quick release plate to the camera arm. I'm just going to use an M6 bolt to secure it. Right guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, like and comment. Don't forget, there is a free SketchUp model for this project, so just send us a message in the comments down below and I'll send you the free file. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.